Wow! Megan, the iconic rapper, just dropped another hit song. Come, let's check it out here. Hello, fans. Welcome to Susie Farms. Here we focus on agriculture, animal husbandry, aquaculture, and agribusiness, where we bring research to practice. Our products are purely organic, from the farm to the table, so we can eat healthy food. If you are new here, like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit on the notification bell. Permit us to serve you with some cola nut and palm wine so you can relax while watching. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. It was a bright sunny day when Megan dropped her latest album, Her. I had planned to harvest some vegetables to prepare dinner that evening. So when I got the notification, I immediately opened my device. Bam! There she was, elegantly dressed in wealth. The human-shaped goddess was all wrapped in black. There was a classic epitome of royalty, wealth, glamour, elegance, and beauty as she confidently presented her sexuality throughout her video. You could see her twisting her body sensationally while pouring out these explicit lyrics. I was so excited, got confused, and couldn't withstand the heat. I had thought that Beyonce would drop a song before her. The video is just 2 minutes 20 seconds, but so rich and on point. After listening to the music the second time, I went out to my backyard to cool off. As I stepped out into the garden, behold, I heard the sound again. My plants keep resonating the sound of the lyrics. The 27-year-old Meg Thee Stallion was born on February 15, 1995 in Houston, Texas. Apart from music, she also focused on her education, graduating from the Texas Southern University with a Bachelor of Science in Health Administration in 2021. What a coincidence! She graduated the same year I planted my first fig tree, also producing this hit song titled Her, just when my fig tree is producing much fruit. Yes, science graduate can become excellent rapper too. Just like science gardener can also incorporate music as part of their garden life. After all, the garden is the best place to enjoy music, right? Kindly share your own opinion in the comment section below. Gardeners are also social beings. I walked through the garden, admiring the healthy plant that was due to harvest and enjoy as stir-fried veggies. Then I decided to listen to the music again. Behold, chill round down my spine when Megan went again. That was when it dawned on me that I have to offer a special gift to Megan for such an amazing performance. But which will I choose then? Amaranth, huckleberry, or the fig fruit? Fig fruit was immediately dismissed because it takes 3 months for the fruit to develop, get ripe, and ready to be eaten. The fruit started coming out by the end of July. So we are expecting to start picking the fruit in October. Next week, I have to cut the tips of the fig tree so that all energy will be focused on growing the fruit more. This will help the fruit to ripe quicker before places start getting cold by October ending. My choice was now narrowed down to amaranth and huckleberry. The amaranth plant was still signaling me to choose ha, 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 ha. I become more confused because both of them, amaranth and huckleberry, are my health booster. So I quietly turned to the huckleberry and heard her pleading. She. What? It would be good to know that even though I had earlier dismissed the fig fruit, it rose like a giant plant in a garden of vegetables, screaming, me, 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 me. What a day. But then, there was nothing to do about the fig tree. The fruit are still very small, and we still need about 2 months old to harvest the fruit. The tips of the shoot need also to be plucked off. So we'll pick them off so that the fruit can develop and grow bigger and healthier. So fig tree, you are out of the game. Finally, I decided to consider the health benefit of huckleberry and also of amaranth greens to make a better choice. Garden huckleberry leaves are nutritious with a lot of minerals and vitamins. It has wonderful antioxidant properties, which help to improve immunity and fight off the free radicals that are the leading cause of premature aging of our skin and hair. Yes, this will be good for Megan. It also reduces oxidative stress, which is the leading cause of many illnesses. The water decoction of huckleberry leaves has also been suggested for diabetic patients as it significantly reduces blood sugar level. Huckleberry has wonderful anti-inflammatory property due to the presence of alkaloid present in it. If you are suffering from pain and inflammation, try to consume it regularly. Research has shown that it is effective in managing gastric ulcer, prevent liver damage, effective remedy for epileptic seizures, and is very effective against hepatitis C, which is a major cause of liver problem. Huckleberry has been listed by researchers among the herbs that could prevent recurrent cancer as it inhibits the growth of many cancer cells, including mouth cancer and breast cancer cells. These are the type of diseases we don't want to see it close to Megan. So I may be tempted to recommend this huckleberry as a gift for Megan. Amaranth leaves and grains are known as superfood because they are a powerhouse of nutrients and are beneficial for almost every organ of the body. They are rich in protein, calcium, iron, copper, essential vitamins, magnesium, zinc, and manganese. Amaranth contains a wide range of vitamins and minerals and is a good source of amino acids. It contains plenty of antioxidants like carotenoids and chlorophyll, along with other phytonutrients. Thus, amaranth has more to offer than the other leafy green vegetables. It is easy to incorporate them in the diet as they taste well in stir fry or when combined with huckleberry leaves. Amaranth contains plenty of antioxidants like carotenoids and chlorophyll, along with their phytonutrient and antioxidant, which help to reduce inflammation in the body and enhance health and wellness. Amaranth leaves contain only traces of fat and no cholesterol. Therefore, it is very suitable diet for weight control. Amaranth leaves and substems contain soluble and insoluble fiber that help us to reduce our weight as it lowers the cholesterol in the blood. Its high protein and fiber content also help to reduce appetite and consequently body weight. Fresh amaranth leaves has abundance of vitamin C that help to protect and maintain the body cells, promote healthy skin, blood vessel, cartilage, and bones, and help to heal wounds. It also helps to reduce the effect of free radicals, which are responsible for aging and may help fight against viral infection. Garnet amaranth is one of the healthiest microgreens as it contains the highest level of vitamin A, C, E, and K. Amaranth leaves and grains are superfoods because they are the powerhouse of nutrients and are beneficial for almost every organ of the body. This makes it easier to choose amaranth grain as the best gift to offer to Megan for such an outstanding performance. My garden is my most priceless asset, and today I offer this basket of amaranth green To Megan, well done. Looking forward for more. Gardeners are also social beings, and it is time we bring other aspects of our lives into our garden. Our gardens should actually reflect our personality. Please kindly like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit on the notification bell so you will be notified whenever we upload our next video soon. Healthy plants, healthy people, healthy planet. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Cheers.